lineup for you all, what we have in store for you all today. So we'll start with the top movers and shakers for the day with Vivek. And well, the stock of the day, which we'll talk about, are going to be Zentech, Paris Labs, as well as DV's Labs. We will join. We'll join to give you the key reasons as well, which is in focus. And last but not the least, we'll tell you which are the key market events to watch out for in tomorrow's trading session as well.
Okay, so then let's kick it off then with the movers and shakers of the day. Vivek, over to you.
Well, thank you so much for that. Another session where you actually saw advances outpacing the declines, but towards the end of the trading session, you actually saw the convergence coming in, given the fact that you actually saw quite a bit of selling pressure emerge in the last hour of the trading session. But let's have a look at, what are stocks that made the moves today. In the list of gainers, Bajaj Auto, this particular name, you can't really miss this particular name, given the fact that, number one, timely access to credit facility, along with that Vahan data being quite encouraging. Bajaj Auto, one of the top gainers in the session today, ended the day higher by over 4.5%. The other set of stocks that did quite well were the electrode names, the names like graphite as well as HEG. These stocks did very well. This on the back of a global update where global major Resonac, based out of Japan, actually halted graphite electrodes production both in China as well as Malaysia. Remember, it's a significant player in the market, and both of these stocks rallied quite significantly. The other stock on the back of very strong operational update as far as Q4 is concerned was Delhivery, one of the top gainers as far as the F&O space is concerned, given the fact that there was a significant increase as far as the profitability metrics were concerned. One stock from the capital goods space, it was a day of weakness, but Siemens managed to hold out in the green. News reports are indicating that the company has emerged as the lowest bidder in a JV partnership, and this for a system contract for a Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. And lastly, one stock from the broader end of the markets, which was KRBL, did very well in the session. The management joined us earlier today. They spoke of much better export opportunities as far as FY26 is concerned. And the street clearly liked the commentary, almost 8% higher. But a whole host of laggards as well. You cannot look beyond Protean eGov, given this particular stock was pushed at the lower circle. The management held a conference call for analysts during the course of the day today. But the fact that the company did not get shortlisted for the PAN 2.0 project by the income tax department is something that the street did not like and is seen as a derating event. IT stocks, the entire spectrum, saw quite a bit of profit booking throughout the session. Names like Infosys, TCS, even broader end of the names, names like Coforge, Emphasis, these were stocks that did see selling pressure from the IT pack. When you're talking about the defense team, select defense stocks today, they saw a bit of profit booking emerge. HAL after the results, you saw the shipyard stocks, so names like Cochin Shipyard, Maersk Dog, Bharat Dynamics, all of them did see some selling pressure emerge. After that, one stock from the NBFC pack, LIC Housing, saw two downgrades coming in from brokerages, both Jefferies as well as Motilal Oswal, not liking the commentary. This stock ended low by over 3%. And the FMCG pack continued to see moderation, and this amongst this particular pack, you did see quite a bit of selling pressure come across names like Patanjali as well as Tata Consumer. So the FMCG pack not in the pink of health. Overall, a good session as far as the broader end of the markets are concerned, but still you did see quite a few laggards as well.
Absolutely, Vivek. Thank you so much for rounding up the top stock movers and what happened in the market today.